Problem 32, we have a bag of marbles. We have 12 red marbles, we have 5 yellow, and we have 15 green. Red, yellow, green. So it tells us also that there's 32 total. So when we add them all together, we'll get 32. And we can see that that's the case if we do that. So it wants to know how many additional red marbles must be added. So the probability of randomly drawing a marble is 3 out of 5. All right, so important to note, probability. If we want to find the probability of red marbles, it's the total. P, our probability, is going to be the total number of red marbles. Let's write this bigger. Probability is going to be the total number of red marbles. Number of red marbles divided by the total number of marbles. Okay, so for example, the probability for red is going to be 12 over 32. That's how it currently is. Okay, so we want 3 over 5 to be our probability. Okay, so we want to know how many red marbles we need. And remember, every time we're adding a red marble, we're adding 1 red marble to the total. So a couple ways you could do this. You could just add marbles and add marbles and add marbles until you got to 3 over 5. Or what we could do is see every multiple of 5 and check that. So for example, the multiples of 5 that are greater than 32 are going to be the numbers that end in 5 or 0, right? So any number multiplied by 5 is going to be 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and so on. So we can check and see 35 here is going to be 32 plus 3. So let's check for that one. So let's see, we have 32 plus 3. So that means our red marbles are increased by 3 as well. So 12 plus 3 equals 15. So we have 15 marbles. So let's see what 15 is over 35, because that'd be our red marbles over the total. Using our calculators, if you'd like to, we can see that's 3 over 7. That's not 3 over 5, so we have to try a different number. Okay, so let's try 40. That's going to equal 32 plus 8. Remember, we're doing this to get the remaining number of marbles we want to add, using our current total number of marbles. So we can see we're adding 8 to our 12 to get 20. So then that's going to equal 20. Our P is going to equal 20 over 40 red marbles now over our total number of marbles. So that's going to equal 1/2. Still not quite there, but we're actually getting closer. So that's good. So let's try 45. 45 is going to equal what plus 32? 12, or 13. 13 plus 13. So then we add 13 to our 12 marbles we already have. Remember, we're just figuring out what the difference is between these numbers of 5 because our denominator is 5. And then we're finding out how many marbles we need to add to our bag to make the total increase to 45. So then we add that number of marbles to our 12 existing red marbles. We get 25. And we can see that 25 over 45 is going to be 25 over 45 is going to be 5 over 9. So still not quite there. Let's try 50. 50 is going to equal 18 plus 32. And then adding that to our red marbles is going to give us 30. Now we can see the probability is going to be 30 over 50, which equals 3 over 5. So by trying these multiples of 5, we can see eventually that we get to 50 marbles total, which is 18 marbles added to the bag. So our answer is going to be G, 18. This is a guess and check method, and it is one that works best. The other thing you could do is just to directly check those marbles, and that'll work as well.